Hey everybody, today is Saturday, February the 5th, 2022, and for my next meal, I'm going to slow cook a pot roast. So coming up, stick around, I'm going to show you how to do this, and we're just going to experiment and have fun. All right. And here we have everything that I'm going to put in the crock pot. We have our red potatoes, the meat, the carrots, sweet onions, and the Campbell's sauce mix. All right, so this time I cut my potatoes up a little bit smaller, also the onions and the carrots. And this is what I'm going to use in this crock pot today. Smaller than last time, I think it'll be a little bit better. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put everything in the crock pot. I'm going to start with the meat first. That's 2.5 pounds, and I'm going to go ahead and leave the fat on. Next, I will go ahead and put the onions, potatoes, and carrots around the side, and then finish off at the end by putting the sauce on the top. And here is the main ingredient, the Campbell slow cooker. You can find it in most stores. I just poured it on top, added a little bit of water to the bag on the inside, shook it up, and put it in there. But this will render down and will get to the whole meat. Okay, so here we go. I've got the sauce on top. I'm gonna put the lid on. I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer for 5 hours this time. I'm gonna keep it on high, but my cook time with this, according to the ingredients in the package, is 5 hours. Okay, all the ingredients are in. I've set the timer. I've set the crock pot to high. And we're going to let it go. I'll check it out at the halfway point and let you see what it looks like. All right, here we go. It's about halfway through. Let's check out what we have. All right, I'm going to go ahead and stir this up. Like with the last crock pot I didn't do that. This one I'm going to, because it's so long cook time. I want to make sure all the ingredients are mixed up there pretty good. Alrighty, it's done. Let's have a look at it. Oh, doesn't that look good? And I think you can hear it crackling because it's still cooking. And you can see also that it rendered down, so it leaves you with a little bit of liquid. And now from the pot to the plate. Enjoy. Well, that wraps it up here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it very informative. This was real simple for me to cook. Just put the meat in, the vegetables, put the sauce on top. I did cook it an extra hour, so I think it was allowed the sauce to get down because the meat was very tender. And the vegetables, they were all done, so it turned out to be okay. Well, again, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.